Hey guys, how's it going? Got a triple threads mini box break here for Blades of Hana. So let's just get right into it. Thank you for all your quick payments, and good luck. See what we got here. Right. Let's see. First off, we got a Justin Tuck, 45 of 99 for the Giants. We got a Aaron Rodgers, 869 out of 999 for the Packers. Got a Chris Johnson, 842 out of 999. Jerome Bettis, 359 out of 999. Joseph Vadai, 99 out of 300. Let's see what we got here. Oh. First off, Cowboys. Felix Jones, 4 of 9. Pretty nice low number there, just jersey. And for the auto, we have Chris Cooley for the Redskins, 4 of 90. Alright, so there it is, guys. Thank you, and check out my eBay page in the future. So, alright, thanks a lot.